Greetings, this is a tutorial on how to manipulate or edit your roles. And in order for you to get started, you would want to go to Project Management and click on a specific role, on a specific template you want to edit. All right, and then at the very top, click on Roles. Okay. You will see this screen pop up with 5 separate columns. And let me go into more detail for each of them. All right. First column is apply role changes to workflows. If you select yes for this column, then any changes made to a role will be automatically populated to all of your active cruise planning workflows. For example, if you add a marine technician, then the changes will be pushed over to all of your active workflows. Moving on, template assignable role. If you select yes for this column, then you are allowing this role to be edited on the template. You can, and then that is in contrary with workflow assignable role, meaning that if you select yes for this column, then you can edit roles per cruise basis, right? So you can either select yes for both of them and have this role editable on the template and on the cruise workflow, or any combination you prefer. All right, moving on, allow multiple users. If you select yes for this column, you are allowing multiple users to be assigned to a single role, as we see. For example, marine technicians have multiple users assigned to a single role. If you select yes for display assigned names publicly, then then this role will be displayed on the schedule. It will be viewable to the public. This is an example. Local planner Stephanie Martinenko, SAO. I will remove this. Don't worry. This is only for this exercise, for this tutorial. All right. I hope this helps. Oh, and in order for you to edit these columns, click on the pen right here on the right, and then select yes, no, then click on the check mark. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.